I know you like that. Hey, I know you like that. Hey, I know you like that. Hey, I know you like that. Whoa, taking exotic trips. I know you like that. Whoa, switching up all the way.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Tia Beauty YouTube channel. Today guys, we are doing something fun. We are touring my refrigerator and what's in my snack cabinet. So I thought this video would be fun. It's kind of cool knowing what people eat and seeing if you relate to them and if you eat some of the same stuff as them. So guys, we're literally gonna tour my fridge. If you guys want to see this video, I need y'all to continue watching. But before you continue watching, I need you to hit that subscribe button right now and give this video a big thumbs up. All right, so let's not waste no time. Let's get started. Okay y'all, so I got my vlogging camera. So let's see what is in this fridge. You know what I'm saying? All right, so first let's start with the top of the fridge. So got Reese's Puffs, two Kashi Golds. I like the honey almond flaxseed crunch. We got honey nut Cheerios, and then I bought Rice Krispies because I have made some homemade Rice Krispie treats. But I eat the both Kashi cereals on the regular, and the Reese's Puffs are like my boyfriend's go-to cereal. He literally loves that cereal. So I kind of like it now too. For me, it's dessert. For him, he could eat it as breakfast. Me, that's too sweet for breakfast. I want chocolate and peanut butter. So, but yeah, that to me is dessert. So if I got a sweet tooth, I'll have a bowl of Reese's Puffs cereal for my dessert. So now let's go inside of the fridge. Oh, let's talk about what is in here. Okay, so first off, we got the eggs. Before me and my boyfriend moved in together, honestly, I did not eat eggs that much, but now we buy eggs consistently and we have eggs with our breakfast. So yeah, here we got the juice. This juice literally stays in my house, like it never runs out because it is always fully stocked. It's the 100% no sugar added cranberry juice, literally the best cranberry juice ever. Then we have some Tropicana OJ. This doesn't stay in the house. It kind of is in the fridge, you know, when you're kind of craving it, that's when it's in the house. And then we just have like normal condiments, garlic, jelly, mustard, more garlic. Clearly we love garlic in this house. That's Sweet Baby Ray's, barbecue sauce. Oh my god guys, oh my god, this right here, this Tijava whatever, it is a unsweetened black tea. They sell it at Trader Joe's. When I tell you guys I love Arnold Palmer's, and Arnold Palmer is half lemonade, half unsweetened iced tea, and Arnold Palmer for me is so freaking amazing. So I get that tea, I make homemade lemonade, fill the cup up with ice, and mix those two together, and it's amazing. Give it a try. Don't knock it till you try it. Try it guys, it's at Trader Joe's. So let's see what else is in my fridge. Okay, so we got butter, mayo, we got some spinach. I have low iron, so I try to eat raw spinach every day, and I just add it to like my daily smoothie. So yeah, that's why I buy the big thing of spinach, and literally I run through this whole big gigantic thing within a few days, maybe like four or 5 days, and I'm all out and I need to go get more. Okay, so what else is in my fridge? I have the homemade Rice Krispie treats that I had made. They were really good. And my sweet tooth is satisfied. So once my sweet tooth is satisfied, I don't want anything else sweet. So yeah, those will be there for when my sweet tooth is going at it again. So we drink almond milk. My boyfriend likes the sweetened almond milk and I like the unsweetened almond milk, and I use milk more than he does. That's why I have the bigger container of milk. But yeah, almond milk only, no cow milk, no other animal milk. All right, so now to this part. In here we have some vegan butter. We also have some turkey bacon, which has not gotten opened yet, but we do actually eat turkey bacon on the regular. We used to eat regular bacon, which we still enjoy regular bacon. It's just too much, you know, like too fattening. So now we basically are like, turkey bacon it is. You know, gotta be healthier. And then we have more vegan butter. We have a few cheeses. I got the store brand. Don't talk about me because I got the store brand. Your girl's trying to save some coins, okay? I like that extra sharp cheddar and some Monterey Jack. So yeah, that's what we got in there. Now down to the next shelf. All right, so we got a big bag of green beans. This is like some chopped up lettuce that I have to make salad, some diced onions. Got some fresh strawberries. Plan on making some chocolate covered strawberries for me and my honey. Or we might just eat the strawberries as is, you know, no chocolate. Trying to cut down on the sweets. That's what I gotta learn. Cut down on the sweets. Yeah, because I don't know if y'all have noticed, but over the past few months since me and my boyfriend have moved in together, your girl has gained some weight. I really have, and I really need to lose. But that's a whole nother story. Let's keep going on to what's in the fridge. So then we have water, bottled water. We really don't drink this water. We really honestly only drink alkaline water. That water that's in the fridge is for guests when they come over. We do tend to drink it sometimes because we don't have guests all the time. But you know, alkaline water is very expensive, so we try to give guests, you know, natural filtered water, and then we have the alkaline water for ourselves, because giving those bottles away, I know it sounds bad, but we can't afford to do that right now because alkaline water, between the two of us, we spend about $100 on water in a month. And that might sound crazy to some people, but try some alkaline water and it will change your life. Who's texting me? So yeah, that water's for the guests and the alkaline water's for us, and I'll show y'all where we keep the alkaline water in just a few minutes. But let's continue with what is in the fridge. I have 2 things of Kiwis. Literally, guys, I run through Kiwis like there's no tomorrow. Literally, I eat 2 a day, and like a pack of Kiwis is gonna, in like, I'll say 6 days to a full week. So those Kiwis are gonna last me about 2 weeks. So yeah, that's why I got 2 packs. And we also got some steak. So make my man a nice steak dinner. We got pork tenderloin back there marinating, and we also also got some fresh chicken. I buy Trader Joe's organic chicken if you want to know what I buy. I also bought the steak from Trader Joe's as well. I really love Trader Joe's brands of organic meats because it's always better to eat organic than, you know, eating like really bad stuff, the non-organic, the hormones and stuff. So yeah. All right, so what's at the bottom of the fridge now? We have some asparagus, which I'm excited to make. We have some grape tomatoes. Over here, we have a head of lettuce, peppers. We have a bag of organic apples, pomegranate, and a bag of oranges, if y'all can see. So we try to stay stocked up on the fruits and stuff and veggies so that we have. And that literally is what's in my fridge. So now I'm about to show you guys the water. And the water actually is right over here. So I'm just gonna move on back. So yeah. So yeah, this is where we keep all of like our extra storage of like dry goods and of course water. So literally, as you can see, this whole thing is filled with water because we drink a lot of water in this house, and everything is alkaline. Right now we're trying the Costco's brand of alkaline water, and it has 9.5 pH, just like Essentia. I always am stocked up on Essentia. There's even more behind this, which is crazy, but yeah, we drink a lot of water. So we stay stocked up on Essentia. Essentia is the water that I always drink, but I do try other brands of alkaline water. Like the last one that we tried was Core, but it has a lower pH. So now we're trying the Costco's alkaline water, which it is a little bit cheaper. So we, you know, this might be a staple that we keep. And then of course, like I told y'all, we never run out of the no sugar added cranberry juice because we have so many and it just stays stuffed. So now, last but not least, but let's check out the snack cabinet. Okay, so this is our snack cabinet. And let's see what is in here, guys. Look at it. Okay, so let's start with over here. It's a little junky because there's a lot going on in here. So we have some Girl Scout cookies. There were some Samoas in here too. Would y'all eat Girl Scout cookies? But I ate all the Samoas. And I really enjoy Thin Mint, so Thin Mint is what's left. Let me know in the comments below what Girl Scout cookies you guys like. Then we also have the Snack Factory Pretzel Crisp. We really enjoy those. My boyfriend likes the everything one. I like just the normal one. Then we have Goldfish. It's crazy because Goldfish had went on sale in like my local grocery store. So I'm like, wow, these are only $1. Let me go get some. So then I bring it in the house and me and my boyfriend literally ran through the bag. And it was like, what the heck? Like, it was so good. Like, we probably both haven't had Goldfish since childhood. So now we're like hooked to it. So I bought 2 bags of Goldfish. So we both kind of could have our own bag, if you know what I'm saying. Because there's but so many in the bag to be sharing. Then we have like a bunch of nuts. So we have like sunflower seeds, walnuts, almonds, all that stuff is over there. Then we go up here and we have a bunch of salty snacks. So let me stand up. Who is weird being up this high? All right, so snacks that are up here, we have some sour cream and onion chips by Lay's. As you can see, we've been eating this, and when I say we, I mean me. I'm like the snacker in the house. My boyfriend, he's like the healthy snacker, and I need to get like him because I like all the bad snacks. Then we have some Cheetos Puffs. Then we have cheese doodles, because these both don't taste the same and we honestly could argue about it, but I like both of them in their own little separate ways, so gotta have both. Growing up, I actually really enjoyed eating unsalted potato chips. My mom is the one who likes eating unsalted potato chips, so it kind of grew on me, and now I like eating unsalted potato chips, so we get this one. And then behind it, we got some Tostitos bite-sized tortilla chips. And then over here, we have some Lorna Doones little shortbread cookies. As you can see, the box is almost gone. Who ate all those cookies? And then we have Belvita. I really like the cinnamon and brown sugar one. It honestly tastes so good. But we have a lot of these because this is the big one from BJ's, so like those Belvitas honestly are going nowhere because we don't eat them every single day. So yeah, almost forgot to show y'all what's in my freezer. So ice, of course, acai, so we can make acai bowls. We have all the ingredients for it. Corn, hot dogs, Trader Joe's hash browns, pie crust, a few like cool ice trays, organic blueberries, you know, nothing too crazy. Frozen salmon, chicken, and yeah. So guys, what did you think? Do we eat some of the same stuff? Do we share some of the same cravings? Do you guys like the same stuff that I like? Are we complete opposites? Let me know down below in the comments. And guys, I love you. Thank you so much. Let me know also in the comments the next video that you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Love you on the road to 2,000.